Hi everyone, welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to remove purchased app history in iPhone with a few quick steps. Now let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. This is where all your downloads and app purchases are stored. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. This takes you to your account page where you can manage purchases and subscriptions. Now, tap on Apps under the Purchase section. Here, you'll see a full list of apps you've downloaded or bought using your Apple ID. Find the app you want to remove from your purchase history. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you remember the name. Once you find it, swipe left on the app's name. Then tap Hide to remove it from your visible purchase history. This doesn't delete the app, but simply hides it from the list. If you want to view your hidden purchases later, just tap your profile picture again at the top right of the App Store. Then, tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. You'll be asked to verify with Face ID or your password for security. After that, scroll down and tap on Hidden Purchases. Here, you can see any apps you've hidden and even re-download them if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful iPhone tips.